I'm the president and co-founder of CLAN, which stands for Caring and Living As Neighbours. CLAN's an Australian-based not-for-profit organisation, and we started work in around 2004. CLAN's mission is about achieving equity for children who are living with chronic health conditions in low and middle income countries. And when I first started hearing the stories about children living with chronic conditions in low and middle income countries, just access to medicine was a huge issue. It struck me that if there was a family down the road and their child was dying and needed the medicine, you'd walk down the street and you'd give some to their child. So it's about caring and living as neighbours. Over the last 12 months, we've been really fortunate to have a grant from Pfizer Australia that's really helped us focus on some work we're doing with the Congenital Adrenal Hyperplasia community in Pakistan. And really, for the first time, we've been able to employ a community development officer on a full-time basis and really focus on some strategic objectives that we're seeking there to help that community achieve sustainability and independence over the longer time.
We are thrilled with the relationship. It's been about 5 years. More recently, over the last 1.5 to 2 years, we've worked specifically on the efforts in Pakistan. And for us, it's very much aligned with our goals and objectives as an organization focused on improving patient health and well-being. In terms of our relationship with CLAN, we're focused on making sure that we bring forward the educational materials in the right sort of way, in the right sort of package, whether that's through the kits that we deliver in the market or the educational materials that we partner on.
One of the great strengths of CLAN, but is also one of our weaknesses, is we have a near total reliance on volunteers, and we really, I feel like I've been saying for the last decade, we run on the smell of an oily rag.
Kudu and Mimi, we design a range of baby and children's clothing that's ethically manufactured and also leather nappy bags. Our products, our baby and children's clothing, are all certified organic cotton, and we're setting ourselves up as a social enterprise, so we're planning on launching our range in the coming months. As a social enterprise, we have aligned with CLAN, and we hope from all of the sales of our first range that we'll be able to provide over 1,300 life-saving kits to children with congenital adrenal hyperplasia.
So I'm a paediatric endocrinologist at the Children's Hospital here at Westmead. The thing I've really learnt through my relationship with CLAN over the last almost 10 years is how valuable that partnership is between, the content experts and the people who have the clinical experience like me. CLAN is about sustainability and about, the visits that we did to try and help support were not meant to replace care locally. Our goal was to help try and educate, provide some access to families, but ultimately to support education of staff, and develop a sustainable plan.
We align ourselves with organizations that we respect and admire, and we're really thrilled with the great work that CLAN is doing, locally of course, but in emerging nations around the world. Really, really important work. And really we see ourselves almost as knowledge partners as we look to solutions for patients with CAH.
You can make a difference for children living with chronic health conditions in resource-poor countries. When CLAN started back in 2004, the feedback I got all the time was, it's too hard. Why would you bother? It's too complicated. And I think we've shown it's not too hard. It is possible. You can affect change, but we have to work together.
At Pfizer, here locally, we manufacture a broad portfolio of medicines that cuts across many therapy areas. And we're always mindful that those therapy areas impact patients, and in this case, children. And it's really, really important that we're aligned and that we partner on these goals and objectives.
And at the end of the day, it's about sustainability and about doing ourselves out of a job. If we're not working in a country anymore because the country really doesn't need us anymore, that's success.